Hello, so in this video I wanted to talk a little bit about those YouTubers or those YouTube videos that say make these 5 items or 10 items or whatever and they'll sell for low cost, high profit. Basically, I'm trying to figure out if they're legit or if they're scams. Now, I'm not trying to throw shade or hate on anybody because I got a couple of videos of myself of items that I sell at my craft show booth and I know that they sell, but these other videos, it seems like they just come up with these projects, these little things, and say, hey, sell these for low cost, high profit. And I want to put it to the test. So over the next couple of months, what my plan is I want to make smaller things. I'm a woodworker, wood turner, but I don't do big projects. I don't make furniture or tables or anything like that. I know that if I wanted to be a full-time woodworker, I would be building tables and chairs and furniture and all that stuff because I know that that stuff sells and I know that you can make money at it. But I do this part-time for fun. I do a little craft show booth once, twice a month, and that's what I do. That's my thing. So basically, I want to put these videos to the test, and I'm going to try to figure out some items that I watch from videos, make them myself, and then put them in my craft show booth over the next couple of months and see if they actually sell. So if they sell, I'll give credit where credit is due and post a video up saying, hey, these things actually sell, and this is where you go for the idea, and this is where I got the plans from. And if things don't sell, then I'm not going to throw shade or hate. I don't want to be negative or anything like that, so I'll just glide right over it. I won't say anything. I'll just stop making them and stop selling. Well, they're not selling, but I'll stop making those particular items and move on to something else. And the whole purpose of this is, well, number one, to see if they're legit, because one, that something might sell in one market, but it's not going to sell in another market. So you have to try new things and new items. And it's always a good idea to evolve as a crafter and change your products up and change your things up and progress. So there's some things that move in my craft show booth and there's some things that don't move. So I'm looking to take some things out and put some new things in. So it's kind of like me doing an experiment over the next couple of months of what I can get to sell in my craft show booth. So that is it. I'm just putting it out there. Leave a comment below. Do you think these videos are legit, or do you think they're a hoax or a scam or whatever? Put a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Hopefully you're a fellow crafter like I am, and you're constantly trying to experiment and constantly trying to find ideas to make new things that sell. So that's what I do. So that is it. Thanks for watching. And how do I turn this thing off?